Following my recent rules email, I thought I would attempt to clarify some of the questions which have been asked. Thank you to Christina, Keith and Tim for writing in with 3 questions. Question 1. What is the rule if you find your ball in bushes or trees and are not marked with red stakes? Is taking 2 club lengths my only option if the ball was declared unplayable? No, it's not your only option, but it is one of them. So if you're taking lateral relief, which is 2 club lengths, you would mark the position of your ball and you can take 2 club lengths in any direction not near the hole, dropping the ball from knee height within that relief area. Alternatively, you can take knowing what's back on the line relief. This is keeping the point where the ball lies between you and the flag. You would have a reference line which goes from the flag through the position of the ball and extends back as far as you would like. Now with the new rule change, you will now drop the ball on that reference line and it can go and it can move within 1 club length in any direction. That may be nearer the hole, even on the reference line. Alternatively, you can go back to where you last played your previous shot from. Question number 2. Can you just confirm a ball on the white line of out of bounds has to be completely over the line for it to be out of bounds? And if part of the ball rests on the white line or between the white posts, it is not out of bounds. If a white line exists for a ball to be out of bounds, it has to be completely on or over the line. Should there be no line, we have to use the posts. In order for it to be out of bounds when it's posts only, it has to be completely beyond the inside edge, so the course side edge of the white stakes. Question number 3. How should players proceed if the player attempts to play the ball from within the penalty area and the ball remains in the penalty area and is then unplayable? So if you've hit the ball in the penalty area, so you've hit your second shot into the penalty area and you decide to play your third shot, you can play your shot from within the penalty area. Should you have chosen to do that, you obviously could do so again. However, as in the question, if it is then in an unplayable place, you then have one of the 3 following options. If the ball has not left the penalty area, so if you just hit it up the penalty area while staying within the margin, the point where it last crossed remains the same. So from that point, you can take option 1 is lateral relief, which is 2 club lengths. Again, dropping it from knee height within that 2 club length area, not near the hole. You can take back on the line relief from the point, keeping the point where it last crossed the margin between you and the flag. Again, extending back as far as you like, dropping it from knee height on the reference line, and it can go within a club length in any direction. Alternatively, you can go back to the place where you last hit from out with the penalty area. That changes slightly if the ball that you've hit from within the penalty area goes out with the penalty area and re-enters. If it re-enters the penalty area, the point at which you are taking either lateral relief, so that's 2 club lengths, or back on the line relief is from where where it re-entered the penalty area rather than where it initially entered the penalty area. If anyone's got any questions following my answers, or if anyone's got any other questions about the rules of golf, I'd only be too happy to answer them. Please let me know.